Hi, buddy. Good, good evening. I missed this one when it was out. I was busy with one. It still didn't work for me. I didn't solve it yet. XSS. I'm trying XSS. I'm not getting the reply back, but this one is straightforward. It said, can you apply the discount multiple times? Of course, as always, you need to register. The weekly challenge, I'm having a problem with it. My XSS payload is not pinging back for some reason. I don't know why. I will spend I'll check it tomorrow. So we have a discount code to use. We can add the card. It has a card. Proceed. Let's do inspect. What did I put a discount? Delivery address. Sorry. So we have pizza 10. We have place order now. If I go to where is that order? This is the hold on. No, where is the this is the one for discount. Edit and resend. So we have a discount here. The question is, can apply the discount multiple times? My first thing I thought maybe just resend like that and keep getting different orders, because now a request, a response, you can ID 3, 4, 5, you can, but the way I understand it, if I refresh this one again, I can see the orders, but I think the room, you can see this discount, all of them. No, this one 11, 11, 11. But I think the question was, can you make it multiple in the same order? I was for a moment, I said, where is my flag? There's no flag here. But that's be too easy. So the question is, how can we add more code here? Yeah, maybe we can try, for example, a comma. The comma doesn't work because a reply. It doesn't, even it doesn't, because we can see the new order is 12, so there's no discount for it. So we can do spacing. Can we trick the app? We're not getting the flag. We can try the null byte. Where is that bracket? Oh, yeah. I think it's 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you try, this is the null byte also doesn't work. You can send it, but it doesn't. So basically the question is how you solve this. So the bracket doesn't work. The other option is you can say maybe there's a logic problem in this. Hold on, let's do that. Maybe it has a logic problem. We can just duplicate discount part of it and just make 3, for example, like that. And again, it doesn't. If you refresh, you can see it's not applied because discount doesn't work. Oh, now we have 11. It applied the first one, but only one. He doesn't do a double, so he's not looping. So we have a problem now. So we can do this trick. Having 3 like that in the time, it didn't work, so we can go back to square 0. Now we need to play with JSON. For JSON, we can do let's open so we don't mess it up. Let's close the JSON first. And now we have the first pizza. So let's confirm first that the first one does it work without error. Let's see if a discount was applied. If it's 11 and 69, so our JSON, now we can see, so one item, so we assume this one work. So now we just need to add, for example, a second one inside the bracket. So let's see if we can apply that. and we get the flag. If we do, we can see a double bracket, so it means it's looping through JSON, and you can see now it's 10, so it's applied at double times. So the solution is looping through a JSON in the backend. So that's why the space doesn't work, the comma doesn't work, but this one work. Well, good question. How about if I remove that? Do I get an error? Now we got an you see it working through JSON, so we can just ignore it. Yeah, we got a flag. So basically, to make it 2, you need to have two bracket JSON inside JSON. I did this idea, got it from Gemini. Gemini was able to pick it up. He said use this one, and it worked fine. Thank you everybody. See you tomorrow for another work. Have a good day.